All right, guys, we are going to be reacting to fake lawyer, real fraud, bank identity theft, arrest, caught, and cameras. Jump in.
She's been coming into branches for the last few weeks taking money. She's not who she says she is. She's taken a lot of money from these people. She has an ID. It's clearly a fake ID.
I guess what's going on with your account?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
All right. Do you have your ID with you?
She has it. I was just gonna turn it for you.
Wow.
Okay. He said he read you Miranda already. Do you understand all that? Okay. Would you like to speak with me for a few minutes?
On April 6th, 2023, officers responded to a Citibank branch in Delray Beach, Florida, after management identified a woman systematically impersonating a legitimate account holder, stealing over $50,000 across multiple branches in just 3 months. This case sits at the intersection of identity fraud law, Fourth Amendment probable cause doctrine, and a critical Fifth Amendment invocation moment that every officer and citizen should understand. Before approaching the suspect, officers received a direct, first-hand briefing from bank management. Back-office investigators had confirmed through digital records that the real account holder had never visited the Delray Beach branch, and the victim herself reached by phone from a Miami police station confirmed she had no knowledge of the suspect whatsoever. Under Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213. Probable cause is assessed using the totality of circumstances. Here, first-hand witness account, independent institutional verification, and real-time victim confirmation. 3 independent sources converging on the same conclusion. This cleared the probable cause threshold. Well before any arrest was made, the warrantless arrest occurred inside a commercial bank lobby. Under United States v. Watson, 423 U.S. 411, a warrantless felony arrest in a public or semi-public space is constitutionally permissible when probable cause exists. No warrant was required.
Is he in there?
How are you?
Is my partner in
He's
there?
with the girl.
Okay.
So I just want to give you a little bit of a history without her hearing me.
Okay.
She's been coming into branches for the last few weeks taking money. Yesterday, we got a call from back office. She's not who she says she is. They've already blocked the account. We've confirmed with the client that this is not her.
Okay.
She's taken a lot of money from these people. She has an ID.
Ma'am, can I speak to you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I guess what's going on with your account?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
All right. Do you have your ID with you?
She has it.
She has it?
Yes.
All right. What's your name? Grace?
Yes, she has all the information.
Okay. Here, let's go over to the counter.
I was gonna use the restroom.
Well, give it a second, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Here, let's just go to the counter here. Could you see that we get her ID? I guess there's some confusion about who you are and what your accounts are.
There should be.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I go outside?
No.
Oh.
Here, have a seat right here for me. Here, have a seat. Here, have a seat. All right. Now, who gave you this check?
It's right here.
Okay.
what?
And what did they give you the check for?
I'm a lawyer, so.
Okay. All right. So it's for services?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you live in Coral Gables right now?
Yes, I have an Airbnb that I'm doing in Biscaya,
Okay.
so.
All right. So what does La Raza Enterprises do?
It's
Already, the name sounds so shady. Anything that is like IT related or enterprise related is so shady.
the, my clients.
Okay. With like what kind of work do you what business are they in?
I'm not sure. It's my client. He wrote the check.
Okay. You say he's your client, but you don't know business he's in?
No, I'm sorry.
Is it a person or an actual business?
No, it's a person.
Okay.
Oh, it's there. I need a translator. Let me.
Hey,
Yeah.
I need to know what's going on.
I just told your partner. So she's been coming into 2 branches the last few weeks withdrawing money. We got an email from back office yesterday that this is not the client.
So this company, they said did not issue
This
her the check.
actual person does not. This is not her.
That's not her.
We got emails yesterday from back office that person has not came into a branch at all.
Right.
She lives in Coral Gables. That's where she does all her banking. She
Right.
does not come to Delray.
So she's not,
That's correct.
and we don't know who she is.
That's correct. I have a client who needs a translator in the lobby. I'm not sure what she needs. She's sitting down. Stay with her.
She came in yesterday, and immediately after I did the transaction, we received emails from the representative for the client, because they're actually kind of a high-level client.
Right.
And immediately,
This La Raza Enterprises?
no, it's the exact same name as her. And there's also another signer on the account,
Right.
so it's the two of them. Has nothing to do with any business, at least on their personal accounts, but that's where she's transacting, is the
Okay.
personal account. The account number is
So we're
on the
saying
back.
this is a fake ID?
It's got to be, because that's not her. That is the address of the client, but that's not her. And she's also gone to the Boynton branch, and we looked at their transactions. They never come up here. They're like Coral Gables.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, they confirmed that it's not. She is not the client.
She is not the client, but,
She is
and,
not.
and there is a client named,
She is not her. Okay. She is not her.
oh, okay. I'm still confused. So how do they know who she is?
They looked at their banking, their online banking, and saw transactions that were not authorized by the client. So they
Now,
contacted
the client
us.
being,
No, the client is, I don't know where this check came from. She's depositing it. Yesterday, she deposited a check and made a withdrawal.
Right.
And so they saw on their online banking that, they did not do the clients.
Right.
Did not do the transactions. So they verified it's confirmed fraud. She is committing fraud, this
right,
woman
and
that's
she's
here.
trying to deposit this?
Trying to deposit yesterday, she took cash back,
Okay.
but that is not her.
Okay,
They confirmed it last night. We've been emailing back and forth since like almost immediately after the transaction.
What brought you up here?
I have an Airbnb that I'm working on in Biscaya.
Oh, nice. Biscaya? It's far from here, isn't it?
Oh, it's right here on Breast Atlanta.
Oh, that Biscaya. I was thinking Dayton is Biscaya. What do you drive?
That's information right there.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
A Cadillac.
Okay. What color is it?
White.
He has the look of a lawyer, you know what I'm saying? Like the hair and everything, and the face.
let me just check this in the car on the computer. I'll be right back.
She drives a white Cadillac, she said.
All right. Cadillac out here. Yeah.
So I'm on the phone. This client is right now in a police station in Miami right now.
This,
The actual lady is in a police station
Oh,
right
this
now in
Grace
Miami.
Escalona?
Correct.
yeah, well, this is the actual woman.
Yeah, that's
Similar, but not, but not.
definitely not.
I think I forgot to advise on
Can
how
you
long.
just speak to them because I have them on the phone, or does that not matter?
No, it'll be good to speak to them.
let me tell them.
They're in the police department?
She's in a police department in Miami.
Have her speak to an officer to get a sworn statement.
Sworn statement.
Yeah, a sworn statement, if possible on video, if not, paper is good.
Perfect.
Okay? Alright, I think we figured this out. Alright, I'm required to warn you before you make these statements that you have the following constitutional rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions, do you understand? You have the right to remain, any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements and during any questioning, do you understand? Okay, understand that? All right, now you said you're a lawyer, so I guess all those rights you understand.
Look at her.
I guess the big question is,
She's faking it, man.
while I have your driver's license in hand, what's your real name?
That is I'll speak to my attorney.
All right. You can do that.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna place you under arrest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you could just step down.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Just turn it for you. That's all I was doing. Trying to resist
I'm
here.
just trying to make it
Yeah, much more
comfortable for you.
Yeah.
If you do it like you're praying, it's more comfortable.
Grab this one. I should put these things down first. All right, I'm placing you under arrest for fraud.
Okay.
All right, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna collect some information. You wanna hang with her for a second while I get some of the supporting stuff? I guess you were here yesterday, you withdrew some money? Okay,
I'm just gonna talk to my attorney.
all right, sounds good.
The woman upheld the criminal code and refused to make any statements. She was taken down to the local jail, where detectives would attempt to have a talk with her.
In a sworn statement from her, Citibank said I have to subpoena everything. She would give you a sworn statement, video, copies of the documents. The only thing I got is the check today.
Okay.
And I spoke to the actual victim who said she doesn't know who this woman is, she doesn't know how she got her information, and she doesn't even know who this company is.
Okay.
But she was trying to deposit, and basically yesterday she deposited yesterday she deposited a $5,800 check from some company called Axio, and she withdrew $4,000 immediately after. So she stole $4,000, and today she was going to attempt to deposit that. We don't know how much she was going to withdraw.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you read Miranda?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. He said he read you Miranda already. Do you understand all that? Okay. Would you like to speak with me for a few minutes?
No, I just want to talk to my attorney.
Okay. And you said you did get her real name and everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. During the pre-arrest phase, the suspect made voluntary statements, claiming to be a lawyer, describing the check as payment for legal services, and admitting she could not identify her client's business. At this stage, she was not in custody. Miranda did not yet apply. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, Miranda warnings are triggered only upon custody, when a reasonable person would not feel free to terminate the encounter and leave. Those voluntary pre-arrest statements are fully admissible. Once the decision to arrest was made, the lead officer administered Miranda in full, and in correct sequence consistent with Miranda v. Arizona, 384, U.S. 436. The suspect acknowledged each right. Procedure here was legally sound. When asked for her real name post-Miranda, the suspect responded, "That is my name. I'll speak to my attorney." This is a textbook invocation, unambiguous, immediate, and explicit. Under Davis v. United States, 512 U.S. 452, only an unambiguous request triggers the protection. This met that standard. The Fifth Amendment guarantee is absolute from this moment forward. Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S. 477, holds that once counsel is invoked, all interrogation must cease immediately and cannot resume, unless the suspect reinitiates contact or an attorney is present. This is not discretionary. It is a constitutional mandate. A second officer subsequently approached the handcuffed, arrested suspect and asked, "Would you like to speak with me for a few minutes?" This reinitiation of questioning after an unambiguous invocation of counsel constitutes a direct Edwards violation. That no incriminating statement was produced does not cure the constitutional defect. Had the suspect made any statement in response to that reapproach, suppression under the exclusionary rule would have been nearly automatic. The government would have borne the burden of proving the statement was spontaneous, a burden it could not meet on these facts. On the charging side, Florida Statute Section 817.568 criminalizes fraudulent use of another's personal identification. Where the value exceeds $50,000, the offense escalates to a first-degree felony punishable by up to 30 years. The threshold was met here. This was not a minor fraud case. The suspect's subsequent reoffending while on probation triggered federal jurisdiction, under
Wow.
18 U.S.C. Section 1344, federal bank fraud carries up to 30 years per count. Under 18 U.S.C. Section 1028. A. Aggravated identity theft adds a mandatory 2-year consecutive sentence, meaning it cannot run concurrently with any other term. Now the grades. Second officer, C+. The reapproach after invocation of counsel was constitutionally improper under Edwards. Intent does not excuse procedure. The outcome here was fortunate, not compliant. Suspect. B. Post-arrest invocation of counsel was correct and consistent. Deduction for pre-arrest voluntary statements that created investigative exposure before any constitutional protection had attached. Bank management. A-. Proactive, coordinated, and detail-oriented. Minor deduction for the weeks of delay before law enforcement was engaged while losses continued to accumulate. Key takeaways from this case. For citizens, the Fifth Amendment right to counsel is most powerful when invoked before custody, not after. Pre-arrest voluntary statements carry no constitutional protection. Silence, in the investigative phase, is a legal right that costs nothing and risks everything if waived. For prosecutors, a clean arrest with solid probable cause can be undermined at the evidentiary stage by a single Edwards violation. Suppression hearings are won and lost on moments exactly like this one. Let us know if there is a legal issue or police interaction.
That is interesting. So that's why you have to, I mean, each state work these things very differently. It's funny how they always need to go to the restroom. Like, that's the first symptom of incarcerates. Incarcerates showing up. Oh, she thought the clipboard fooled everyone. The clipboard, the hairstyle, the fill, the face, like, yeah. We need to get rid of AI. Huh. Oh, hold up. Oh, my bad, bro. I think AI is doing very good. I think you guys are coping too much, man. Yeah. At least that information is out there. So back in the day, if a human was doing it, you would not call it AI. Because AI is now doing it, you're calling it, you know, lazy. Man, people cannot, grow up. Thank God the bank caught out finally. She has a hard and prison face. They let her get away with 50,000? What a bunch of slackers. This gave me goosebumps. This woman deserves the book thrown at her. Absolutely hate these criminals. They ruin lives. Yeah, they do. Not only they ruin people's life, but they create an untrustworthy sentiment towards society, which is not good. You don't want to do that, because then people cannot trust neighbors. They cannot trust community. They cannot trust people overall. That woman has no class and no shame. First red flag was appears to be case folder. Real attorneys don't walk around with case folders unless they are on their way to court or their office. Her face says, "Oh fuck, I just got caught." There you go, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you next one. I'm out.